me feel good because Portia Simpson Miller is somebody who has come from the not so well off part of society by parents who have decided to give her a good education and to make sure that she did not, as I said before, came like them. And to see her stuck it out through all, the men she have been around in politics who have some groomed her and all of that. To see her stand on her own, and she seems genuine. We saw it in the last election, we born politics, but we saw it in the last election where the country rallied around her, saying that no matter who was popular or what was going on, they wanted her to lead them. And that was something good because the women are the ones who lead the families anyway. So, to see one stand up at the head of the country is a very uplifting feeling for especially young women in Jamaica.
Festival Jamaica!
Festival Jamaica 2012 at the Maryland Complex, Buxton Road, Stratford, London E15 1SL. Buy tickets at all the usual outlets, online, or call 0203 137 3055 or 07528 276 796.
Jamaica to the world. 2012.